Another big legging. Alright guys, right now we're on a not so natural trail. Instead of like concrete, full way right now. Hopefully I get to like some actually dirt path or something. Everyone's up there in front of me. I'm walking behind. We're walking for about 5 minutes now. I don't really know where we at. I'm scared. There's some weird looking dude up there. He's in a sunrise shirt and he has an eagle hat thing. Yeah, he just got good. But yeah guys, I'll catch back up whenever we find an actual like trail. Holy dragonflies. Look at all them. Craziness. I can't really see my camera that well. They're so freaking fast. Good lord. We're finally on a path that's not concrete like that one. Just got on it. I'll show you what the dragonflies. Right there, you can see my camera. Yeah, it's a rock path. Alright guys, so the bridge isn't closed like I thought. The cones are just like sitting off to the side. Look at this view. Well, Carter, that wasn't that good of a skip. Oh, that was decent. Yeah, look at them birds. There's two. One right there. One right there. Oh, yo, what happened? I think some, like a fish or jumped or something. Pretty cool, though. What's the bird? What is going on? Fish are jumping, I think. Oh, Chase is throwing rocks, bro. I thought fish was jumping.
I know, I heard you.
What if you're trying to hit the pole?
Oh my god. Chase, dude, he's wasting all this free time.
Alright, guys. That was pretty close, Carter.
Oh!
Oh! I think I did a hit.
It sounded like it.
Yo, bird just landed on the pole that we were throwing rocks at. Guys, there's one right there. A bird right there. There's a cup right there. Someone literally throw it, Chase. Okay, that was decent. Carter, you throw it. The clouds are coming in. It's really dark. I feel like it's about to storm. Hopefully it doesn't storm on us. Probably will though.
Coming towards us.
Yo, there's a gator coming towards us.
Chase, stay with us.
You guys can see its head right there. Alright guys, it started raining. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, okay, my shirt. Look, my shirt is raining. How did this hurt, Mom?
It didn't hurt near as bad as that time we went to, the last time we went to the beach, those rocks.
Yeah.
That hurt bad. Rain was coming down to those.
Yeah, it's raining bad. It's getting all wet. Hold it. There we go. Sorry, wipe it off. What was that? But honestly, the rain doesn't feel that bad. It's actually pretty cold, which makes it feel kind of good. It's not that bad of rain. It's not hard or anything. It's kind of just like sprinkling. Guys, there's a bird in our path. It's trying to walk closer. See how close we can get. Okay, now it's starting to walk that way. Yo! That is cool.
Careful, seen a bird before.
No, I have seen a bird. It's not a big, giant one fly that close to me. That was pretty cool. Yo, guys, there's an alligator right here. Look at that.
Chase,
No, Chase, 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 no!
Make the ground shake.
We ran out of the way and he got you. Grandma, this is super wet.
Another big legging. guys, we're at this like bridge, and there's the entrance to like the bridge trail. Yeah, it's pretty neat. We tried to enter through that over there at that area, which is the end, but it was like closed. It said exit only. So it was at 7:30. It is currently 6:03. So that's pretty cool. So guys, look, there's a bunny right there. There's a bunny. Oh, that's so cool. He's eating some grass. He ran in there. So Cody like rabbit?
Yeah.
Yo guys, people at Chick-fil-A officially have lightsabers, and they're red too. They're the Sith.
No, we're not. No, we're not.